What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt. We're in our 1985 foxbody convertible LX, which is 5.0 swapped out of an old Thunderbird. Problem with that is it has the old Thunderbird exhaust manifolds, which are iron pigs, and sorry about that, GPS, which are iron pigs, and they just kill your power, man. There's no low end torque. This thing came from the factory. I think the motor was like 155 horsepower. I probably am not even getting that. So we are starting our budget build today. We're gonna go pick up some parts for it, and hopefully they work out. But we're gonna go look at them, and yeah, let's show you what we got. My buddy Mike here with his foxbody hatch. Proper fox, unlike mine. That sound good? Oh, over here. Everything sounds good. Alright, so my fox body is very pedestrian sounding, but this is going to help. We picked up a set of hooker long tubes and an off-road X pipe for the fox body. So hopefully it all bolts straight in, and this thing is going to sound gnarly when we're done with it. And the best news is that it can work with the flat tappet motor and should be able to bolt straight into the roller cam whenever we put that in. Yeah, this car already sound good, but it's truly pedestrian sounding. We really need to ramp it up here with those those headers. All right, so it's another day. So we still got, I don't know if I told you, I explained everything. So we got the headers for 75 bucks. Picked up the off-road X pipe for also 75 bucks. And these Flowmaster Super 10s were $40. So that totals out to be less than $200 for an entire exhaust set, 190 bucks. So that'll build us our full exhaust for the fox body.
Well, I got a fox body. You let me get it.
Yeah, you got a fox body. Who gave you that?
You.
Now, Mr. Brian?
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah, our buddy Mr. Brian from Advanced Auto. He's got a fox body too. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, and what we're gonna do is, I just went to Advanced Auto, actually meet up my buddy Brian, and I picked up some very high temperature paint and primer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bust down these headers with a wire wheel as best we can, prime them and paint it, and that should clean up the look a lot. Got a new facial look going on here. You can tell it's definitely quieter in this car than I'd like. Just like we were just talking about, those headers are gonna make a world of difference. I know it's supposed to be a different time. You guys can see my beard, so it's been a few days that we're picking up this video. But we're gonna lay out the exhaust so you guys can see the full setup we're going for, laid out. I need to bust off some of the headers. I'm not sure if we'll do that in this video or not, or bust off some of the rust. But you guys at least get to see the plans. Comment down below. Comment down below what you guys think. I got no overdrive, so you know it's gonna, and it's an automatic car, so sitting at about 3K RPM might be a little ridiculous cruising down the road, but we'll find out. So honestly, I'm not sure where I left this off, and there's idiots pulling in front of me, of course. But we're gonna get that exhaust on the car at some point. Might have some friends help me out. Never done it before. Looks like it might require jacking the motor a little. And it's always good to have friends who got experience to kind of teach you. That way you do it right the first time. If you guys are looking forward to that, please click that like button, that subscribe button. I can't wait to bring it to you, and I'll have my turd of a V8 sounding good at least. So until next time, guys, that's it for Brailsford Rides. Take care.